In today's video, we're reviewing DAP plastic wood filler, a popular option for repairing small imperfections in wood surfaces, like furniture, trim, cabinets, and doors. First impressions, this filler is very easy to work with. The consistency is thick but smooth, so it spreads nicely with a putty knife and stays in place even on vertical surfaces. You don't need to mix anything. It's ready to use right out of the container, which makes it beginner friendly. The wood filler is designed to blend with lighter stained wood. While it won't perfectly match every project, it does a solid job on oak tone finishes and can be sanded, stained, or painted after it dries, which helps you fine-tune the final look. The filler is made to look and act like real wood once cured, and it can even be drilled or nailed if needed. Drying time is another strong point. For small repairs, it typically dries within a few hours, although deeper fills can take longer to fully cure. Once dry, it sands down smoothly and leaves a clean surface that's ready for finishing. One thing to watch out for is that the filler can dry fairly quickly during application, so you'll want to work efficiently and apply it in thin layers if you're filling deeper holes. Also, like most wood fillers, color matching can take a little trial and error depending on your stain and wood grain. Overall, DAP plastic wood filler is reliable, easy to apply, and produces strong, durable repairs. It's a great choice for do-it-yourself repairs, furniture, touch-ups, and general woodworking projects where you need a stainable filler that blends reasonably well with oak-colored wood. If you're doing small wood repairs at home, this is definitely a product worth trying. Please subscribe and click the link in the description.